We're going to file right first time. Do we have to do it?
No, I don't have a car. Go ahead and try it. No, he had to see it.
All right, heads up. Well, it flew. Well, if you're looking dead on, you can see it. This thing here has got such a wide view, you just got to point it. It takes in everything.
I'm gonna ask y'all what Daryl's wife asked him. You gonna run that thing around or are you gonna fly it?
Alright, here we go. Age flight. Virgin. Down trim. A bunch of it. That supervises all of the stock guys. Her husband did this.
Yeah, well, that's her husband. Yeah. Done the power.